Vandag gaan ons 'n nuwe klankie in Engels leer. K. Hi guys, today we're going to learn a new sound in English, the curly K. K. Ek gaan elke woordjie 3 keer lees en jy herhaal na my. I'm going to read each word 3 times and then you can repeat after me. Cat, cat, cat. Herhaal nou die woorde. Cry, cry, cry. Herhaal nou die woorde. Car, car, car. Comb, comb, comb. Can, can, can. Coin, coin, coin. Cut, cut, cut. Clown, clown, clown. Crown, crown, crown. Coast, coast, coast. Climb, climb, climb. Cross, cross, cross. Class, class, class. Crab, crab, crab. Clap, clap, clap. Curtain, curtain, curtain. Clay, clay, clay. Kyk, kyk, kyk. Glass, glass, glass. Cute, cute, cute. Got, got, got. Goed, ons gaan nou 'n paar sinne lees in Engels. Ek gaan eers lees en dan herhaal jy. Here is the car. I see a cat. This is a cot. Look at the can. Goed maats, nou kan julle die sinne alleen lees. Now read the sentences on your own. Baie mooi maats, julle doen baie goed. Well done everybody, you were absolutely amazing. Voltooi nou die volgende sinne met woordjies wat begin met 'n k. Complete the following sentences by using words that you've learned today. Baie mooi. Well done everybody. Kom ons lees nog een keer deur die woordjies om seker te maak dat jy hulle goed ken. Cry, cot, cat, car, comb, grab, clown, crown, kyk, klei. Kom ons kyk of julle nou self die woordjies kan lees. Let us see if you can read the words all on your own. Baie mooi maats, ek hoop julle ken julle woordjies nou. We are going to play a little game now. You are going to identify what is in the picture and say the word. What is this? Yes, it's a comb. What is the princess wearing on her head? It's a crown. And what is this? You are right, it's a crab. And what is this? Yes, a cat. And what is this? It's a castle. What is this? It is a cross. What is this? It's a can. What is this? Yes, it is a coin. What is this? It is a cot. What is this? It is a car. What is this? Yes, a cake. Baie mooi maats. Well done everybody. You did an amazing job today. Maats, volgende keer gaan ons nog 'n klankie byleer. Next time we're going to learn a new sound. You were amazing. Thank you for watching. Dankie maats dat julle gekyk het. Please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care. Bye.